Hi, I'm Wendy Blanchard, holistic health counselor, mental health educator, and holistic health practitioner. Did you know that there is a direct correlation between our physical health and our mental health? And most especially, we call this the gut-brain axis. We have in our gut trillions of bacteria and fungi that live in every nook and cranny of the gastrointestinal tract, and this is called our microbiome. And when we are experiencing anxiety or depression, it changes the microbiome and causes inflammation on a cellular level. And so we may see symptoms that look like depression and anxiety and even ADHD, and sometimes it's been reported to look like Parkinson's disease, and the list goes on. So I am going to be offering a workshop for wellness practices, self-care tools and wellness practices on August 31st at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, sharing some of the ways in which I am able to manage my own symptoms of anxiety and giving you some really strong foundation and tools to use in your own lives. I hope you'll be able to join me. If you go to my website on Monday, August 17th, I will have a sign up there for you, harmonioushealthforlife.com, and I am accepting the first 20 participants free for this workshop to talk about the gut-brain axis and how our gut and our brain are connected, and the physical and mental health connection. I hope you'll be able to join me. I will be talking also about future workshops and mental health education that I am offering not only in my private practice, but to the school districts that are surrounding in my community, and even via Google Classroom and Zoom. It's been very productive. People are excited about this new professional development training that I've created called Mental Health and Wellness Literacy, and I would love to tell you more about it. I hope to see you on August 31st at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for this lively discussion. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend. Take good care of yourselves and each other.